Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about yoga skin, which is started by a makeup artist Zara Hill from UK. So Zara Hill first uploaded the video and it's become viral, like everywhere. Everyone is talking about this yoga skin. So what is this yoga skin? Do you have to yoga with your face? No, it's just a simple makeup trick with a lot of illuminators, highlighters and foundation, and mix them well and apply it with your hands. So first of all you have to cleanse your face. Then apply a good moisturizer. And then you have to use a primer. I'm using this on my T-zone. First of all, you have to take a good foundation of your choice. Just 2 pumps of this foundation. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. Next, you have to take Master Strobing cream. I am using this Maybelline Master Strobing cream. You can also use any liquid illuminator. Golden tone will be better. And then any face oil. So I'm using this Nykaa rosemary face oil. Just 4 drops. I'm using 4 drops only. And mix it well in your hands. Just 3 things. Now you have to massage it with your hands only. No brush, no beauty blender, only your hands. So that's why I think it's called yoga skin. Can you see the glow? Oh my god, it's too much glowing. Dewy skin. My hands is also glowing. Wow, I'm so happy. Really, it really works. Now to set it just on my under eye. Now I'm applying mascara. You can use these tricks for usual makeup and when you get 5 minutes makeup time only. So if you like my video, then please thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye all. So see you soon in my next video.